Hello everybody and welcome back to reaDIYsteaDIY and this week's 2-minute tool review. Today we're taking a look at the CS Osborne number 600 staple pulling pliers. If you've ever tried to use a flathead screwdriver to remove a bunch of staples, you'll know how frustrating that can be. In the world of upholstery, one of the worst jobs you can do is having to remove staples. Accordingly, that world has a lot of really cool tools to do it. This particular set of pliers, I bought it in order to remove a bunch of staples, but I find it's useful for a whole host of other things too. It's made of forged steel and it has a vinyl handle for good grip. It's 6.5 inches long, it weighs 6 ounces, and it has a maximum jaw opening of 7/8 of an inch. I've owned this tool for probably 6 years, and I can say that it's a really hardy tool. It's very well built. Basically, this looks like a set of offset or angled needle nose pliers, except that nose is bent the other way, and the tip is designed to help pry staples out. The problem with using a flathead screwdriver or something like that in order to remove a staple is that once you try, you'll find the flathead screwdriver removes half the staple no problem, but the other half remains stuck in the wood. Then you have to put down whatever it is you're prying the staple with, grab some pliers, and extract the remainder of the staple with the pliers. This tool combines both those things into one. You can do your prying with the tip, and then you can grab the staple with the pliers and pull out the rest. The nose of these 600 pliers has serrations on it, which allows it to grip even better. One drawback is, like a lot of tools, occasionally they get some surface rust on them, but a quick pass with a wire brush or some 2000 grit sandpaper and it's gone. I like this tool because I don't only use it for extracting staples. Sure, if you've got a sofa to reupholster and you've got like hundreds of staples to remove, this is probably a tool you should be looking at. But it's also really good for holding a nail. And just given the general shape of the nose, it's also pretty good for bending wire. They've become sort of go-to pliers for me, and I think if you don't upholster, you might not know they exist. Anyway, there's your 2-minute tool review. Hope that helped you out. If you like this 2-minute tool review, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll keep them coming. Otherwise, please like or subscribe because that really helps out the channel. And otherwise, stay safe, have fun with your DIY projects, and I'll catch you next Saturday.